Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. You all know that our soil here in the desert Southwest is not the most beneficial to healthy plant growth. The main reason for this is that our soil is lacking in organic matter. It is mostly sand, rocks, or clay. Organic matter comes from all living things, whether it's plants or animals. When organic matter like this is in the soil, it becomes a source of food for microorganisms that, along with moisture, helps break it down into compost. This composting process also ends up adding humic acid, which lowers the alkalinity of our soil. This composted organic matter is what most plant roots need to survive. This is what the tiny white hair roots of plants use to wrap around and absorb their moisture and nutrients from. Of course, with the lack of organic matter and moisture from natural rainfall, many plants won't survive here without our help. By adding organic matter to the soil when we plant, we give plant roots the opportunity to expand and survive. And by periodically adding layers of organic matter to the soil surface, we can build better soil quality. With a regular application of organic matter and proper irrigation, we create a healthier environment for plant growth. Have you ever noticed how hard the native soil is when you try to dig in it? When organic mulch is mixed with the soil, it keeps it from drying out and compacting as rapidly. This is very important to new plant roots that are trying to get established in our environment. They need that organic matter to keep the soil looser and to hold the moisture they need to survive and expand. Organic mulch mixed with the soil surrounding a new plant's roots is a necessity for healthy growth. And the regular addition of organic surface mulching is vital to plant and soil maintenance. Our Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Planting Mix and Mulch is a premium quality product that is perfect for adding organic matter to your soil. Help your plants to thrive. Use Dr. Q's planting partners in your garden. For more information, check out our free Star Notes number 620 and 001 at any Star location or at starnursery.com. Your irrigation system is the most important gardening tool you have for the summer in the desert. Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply headquarters. We have the largest selection of sprinkler parts for any repairs or installation. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.